Digital products versus physical products. Which is the best way to start a profitable online business? Starting a business based on your expertise or someone else's knowledge and experience? Or creating an e-commerce business to sell physical products? What are the pros and cons of both these business models? I have been selling info products and services since 2008, and in the last 2 years I experienced the e-commerce business by selling physical products via dropshipping. And I was thinking of creating a skincare brand. But then I didn't continue this adventure for multiple reasons. I learned many things, and in this video I want to share my point of view and differences in running these businesses. My name is Cecco, and I help you become a high-paid infopreneur by sharing my 12-year knowledge and experience, helping professionals and small business owners create their personal brand online and sell information products and services. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I suggest you subscribe right now and turn the notification on. If you tap on the like button, you will contribute to spreading my message to people like you. So, thank you. Let's start with digital products. To be more specific, I want to include in this category products related to intellectual property, info products and services. What are the most lucrative and diffuse info products you can sell even in 2022? In my personal opinion, these are the most appreciated and valuable info products you can sell today. Video courses plus weekly session of Q&A, coaching programs, mentoring programs, live events, live streaming events and speeches. I have to admit that I'm in love with the info business model for different reasons. Indeed, let's analyze the pros and cons of digital products and services. Pros: digital product number 1. Product cost is close to zero. When you create an online video course or you want to offer different types of services like the ones I mentioned before, I can affirm that the product cost is close to zero. When you have a PC, a microphone and a camera or a smartphone, you can practically create a video course or offer your digital services because they are based on your intellectual property. Pros: digital products number 2. No inventory. Digital products and services don't need a traditional distribution, and you don't have to invest in inventory, and you avoid storage costs. You don't have to worry about ordering enough units to meet demand. Once your online course has been created, you can host it online, and thousands of people can access it instantly worldwide. Pros: digital products number 3. Fast scaling process. Digital products can be scaled far quicker than physical products and without the need to invest in additional storage space or staff to deal with the growth. As I told you before, when your online course has been created, infinite people can get access to it worldwide. If you want to expand your digital business rapidly, it all depends on how much money you could invest in advertising to give your audience access to your intellectual property. Pros: digital products number 4. Immediate delivery. Forget time-consuming stock management and shipping calculations. One of the most significant benefits of selling digital products online is that delivery is virtually free and instant. Say goodbye to long post office queues and lengthy delivery times. And the best part is this: if you have properly organized your online delivery process, once your potential customer becomes a new client, he can get access to your intellectual property instantly without your intervention. To be very honest, it's tough for me to find the cons of selling digital products because it all depends on your ability to create the correct perceptions and demonstrate the value of what you are selling. This is why learning marketing is essential, both for selling digital products and physical products. Maybe there is only one con. Product development is time-consuming. You need to invest time in creating your digital online course and/or service. But once you have done it, you can even sell it for many years without touching anything, especially if your digital product is an evergreen product. There is another con. In the competitive market we are living in, you should be able to share your knowledge and experience, even for free, to create your social authority. People today are more educated and they buy from people they trust. This is why you should become the expert your audience wants to trust and do business with. Now, let's compare the pros and cons of selling physical products. Pros: physical products number 1. demonstrating value is easy. It's far easier to demonstrate the value of a physical product because its purpose is usually clear and easy to explain. Indeed, since they are real and tangible, it is easier to let people know their value. Pros physical products number 2. No social authority demanded. To sell physical products, you don't need to create daily content by sharing your knowledge and expertise, but at the same time, keep in mind that sharing content, videos about your product, how it works, video testimonials, user-generating content, creation process, it all helps you increase your product's credibility and involves your audience. But if you want to be very successful, you should consider doing something else. More on that in the cons section of this video. Pros physical products number 3. Quick and easy selling process. It's true. Selling a physical product, it's easier than selling an online course. The process is straightforward. You can sell physical products directly without asking people to subscribe to a mailing list. But you can invite people to become subscribers by giving them a coupon code in exchange for their data. In addition, I want to tell you that creating an online store has never been easier than today, especially with platforms like Shopify. You can create an e-commerce store quickly and easily. Now, let's see the cons because there are many of them. Cons physical products number 1. Low margin fees. Even if selling physical products is straightforward, especially using paid ads, you have to know that the profit margin is between 15 and 20%. It means that you have to pay close attention to how you invest in paid ads. Indeed, the advertising costs are increasing daily. Don't focus your attention on the gross margin, but on the net profit. Sometimes I see YouTube or Instagram ads where someone is showing how much money he earned that day or week from his store. But the problem is that he's showing the gross margin, not the net profit, so please pay close attention. Cons physical products number 2. Too many competitors. Let's face reality for what it is. Today, there are thousands of online stores that are selling anything. No matter what you want to sell, someone else is always selling your same product. Becoming a well-known brand is a must, and it takes time, energy and money. So my suggestion is do not start an e-commerce business just to sell shit to people, because you will quit rapidly. Cons physical products number 3. Shipping and handling fees. With physical products comes physical delivery. That means packaging costs, postage costs, and handling fees. Physical products require more storage, staff to manage and track them, as well as more upfront investment. Cons physical products number 4. Harder to scale. Scaling a physical product is much slower than scaling a digital product. And keep in mind that you can run a multi-million-dollar digital business with just 5 people. To run and scale worldwide a successful e-commerce store requires lots of people and many fixed expenses. Digital products and services can be managed and delivered with a few clicks. Not so with physical products. Managing inventory, staff and orders is a serious time drain. With that said, let me share my personal thoughts. I believe that both the business models are a great way to create an empire. It all depends on yourself, what you like the most and how you conduct business. So, who won the battle? Once again, you have the answer based on who you are, your inclinations, your aspirations, and your entrepreneurial goals. For sure, I chose the info business model, sharing my information and experience to help people achieve their goals. If you are like me and you want to dive deep into the info business world, I highly suggest you watching this video. 5 best digital products to sell online in 2022. In this video I shared 5 digital products you should focus on if you want to create a profitable info business, especially with the upcoming Web 3.0. So, watch it now!